So hi friends, today we are going to discuss about supply and supply curve. So what is supply? So the amount of goods or services that a firm is willing and able to supply at a given price. This is called supply. So what is supply curve? So supply curve shows the relationship between price of the product and the quantity of the product supplied. So generally what is the law of supply, how it looks? So general law of supply is if you hold everything else constant, generally the increase in price causes increase in the quantity supplied. So let us take an example and see how it works. So for example, if we take oil supply, so let's check with an example of a graph. This is the supply curve. So I am just taking an example of oil supply here. So let's say at the rate of $5 per barrel, the quantity supplied may be around 20 million barrels per day. Let's say if the price is increasing to $10, then the quantity supplied will also increase, let's say, to 40 million barrels. If the price further goes high, let's say it is going up to $30 per barrel, then the quantity supplied also increases to, let's say, around 60 million barrels per day. So why is this happening like this? So if you look at this oil supply, if you take Saudi Arabia, where they supply oil, the price that they can fix it is lesser because their cost of producing this oil is less. So they can supply oil even at the $5 per barrel cost. But if you take, for example, US, the cost of producing oil is high because they have to dig deeper to get oil. So they cannot produce and sell oil at $5, but they can do when the price increases to $10 because they can make profits if it is at $10. If you take Gulf course, so Gulf course cost of producing is further high. So they will produce only when the price is further high. Let's say if the price is around $30 per barrel, they will start producing it because they have to further dig deep to produce oil where they can make profits. So this is the reason why the supply is controlled in those locations with respect to the price. So now let us look at what are the variables that shift supply. So one is obviously you have seen that is price, and second is technological change. So if there is any change in the technology, you have easy methods to produce, then obviously you will supply more. Or let's say the expected future prices. If expected future prices are going to increase or decrease, that impacts your supply. or let's say you have more number of firms available in market, so obviously you will get more supply. So this is all about supply and supply curve. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in comment section. Thank you.